All right, this video is for one of my subscribers. They were asking what the dog bone length for the GEMRC slipper clutch. It's 4 7/8 or about 120 or 121 millimeters. The red one there is the LC Racing one, and the silver one is the GEMRC version. I'm gonna grab the. So this is LC. That's the one I made. Work with the WL, and then this is the one GEMRC makes. You can see it's a little bit shorter, but that's because the GEMRC is a little bit bigger. So, anyways, yeah, I hope this helps you out. Again, that's 4 7/8, roughly, give or take. I think. Let me move it so it's exact. But you can see the difference in the. So if you find this one, you'd be close, but I'm pretty sure it's 121. I can't find my caliper, or I'd tell you for sure. Anyways, hopefully that helps. You take it easy.